Okay, shall we begin? Are we going to go live on FB?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. So children, let me quickly tell you about the flow of the session. So first of all, you will get to know your mentor, right? And then you'll see a short informative PPT wherein you'll learn a little more about your course. And in case you have a doubt or a query, you can always ask that in the chat box. We'll be happy to answer. And then the actual demo will begin. So I hope the flow of the session is clear to you. Show me a thumbs up if it is. Okay, nice. So it is clear to most of you. Good. So let me tell you that we have with us Gunjan ma'am. She's a wonderful mentor, a wonderful person to interact with. She has got a passion for teaching, and she loves to interact with kids like you. So I'll request Gunjan ma'am to speak directly to you. Gunjan ma'am, all over to you.
Hello everyone, how are you all? I can see here that some of the students are known to me as I have taught them earlier also, and some of them are new. Some of them are from India and some of them are from outside India also. Okay, so that means we are having a mixed uh, kind of students here. And some of the students are saying that they are not in sixth class, they are in fourth. So that's really good that you are attending or you are doing your studies above your level. That means advanced level you are doing. Ashas, is it so? You are in fourth class? Yes. Yes, ma'am. Okay, that's great. How many of you are still are doing your class 6 level 2 right now, and you are not in class 6 and a level less than that? Can you tell me? Can you write? Can you show or raise your hand in the chat? Those are not in class 6, less than that. Okay, all of you are in class 6 except Asha's. Okay, you are in Manit in class 5. That's great. Okay, Kanishk in class. Okay, Sai Pranil is also in class 5. Okay, that's great. That's really great that you are doing your studies above your advanced level. So do you find any difficulty in doing the questions of your above level questions? Is that so? No? Okay. So yes, Advik, no, sometimes. Okay. See, what I want to say that in maths or in any other subject, there is no problem if your concepts are clear. If your concepts are clear, then you can do some hard questions, and what is level above questions, that are your next level questions. That means if you are able to do the hard questions, you are doing actually the questions from the next grade. Okay. So if you basically you want to clear your concepts, your basics should be clear. When we are doing this level 2, we assume that your basics are clear, but if it is not, then we will clear it in the class also. Okay, so in the level 2 test series, what we are going to do, we assume that you have completed your chapters by yourself, and we will do some practice questions in the class. Okay, and if there any concept is not clear to you, we will clear it in the class, and one by one we will go chapter wise. Okay, some of the students are already familiar with me, so they know how to do. And in the classes, we will be you will be unmuted every time, so you can ask the question every time. I'm dealing with you people. It's about 8 to 10 years I'm in this teaching field. And I hope we will enjoy in the class, and all your doubts and all your queries will be cleared in the same class only. Okay. Yes, Monica ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much, Gunjan ma'am. So children, now just allow me to share my screen. Just a moment and we are good to go. I believe my screen is visible to all.
Yes, Monica, it's visible.
Pooja ma'am. So a very warm welcome to each one of you to the demo and interaction program for Class 6 Mathematics Olympiad Level 2 course. So as you are already aware, Olympiad Success is India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad exams. Olympiad Success Live is India's first exclusive live classes for Olympiad's preparation. And School Plus by Olympiad Success is one of its own kind of annual program that includes 8 courses, which include mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication, both spoken and written, Vedic math, and coding. Here you get online CBSE as well as Olympiad classes for grades 6 to 10, one-on-one preparation classes for international mathematics Olympiads like SASMO, CMO, HKIMO, TIMO, Math Counts, US Common Core Math Competition, Math Kangaroo, and PRMO. So you can meet our international rank holders on the screen for the year 2021-22. They're all brilliant kids like you. So the classes are going to be group sessions with batch size of around 20 students delivered through Zoom by seasoned tutors. You've already met your mentor, Gunjan ma'am. So you get 2 sessions per week on Mondays and Fridays. Timing will be 6:30 to 7:45 p.m. Note the details, and there would be 5 minutes of break in between the session. The session would include topic-wise quick revision of chapters and discussion on previous year level 2 questions. You can also get reading material and practice questions available on the dashboard of Olympiad Success, and topic-wise mock test for science, which is related to level 2. So syllabus for class 6 mathematics is available at this particular link. Fees can be paid by clicking on this particular link, which you can see on your screen. The fees for this course is 3,720. It is going to be a 16-session course. The fees includes online classes, daily reading notes and exercises, practice of previous year level 2 questions, and access to Olympiad Success platform for science. So while you are enrolling for the course, you should share your roll number with us. So in case you do not make it to level 2, we'll refund the fee after deduction of 10%, right? I hope this clause is clear to you. So all that you require for these classes is a laptop or a desktop with good internet speed and headphones for better audio clarity. So in 2020-21, Olympiad Success had students from more than 3,800 schools across India and abroad, hailing from 35 plus countries. Now the live classes for this particular batch begins from Monday, 11th of December, 2023. So I hope you've noted down all the relevant details now. In case you are still left with a doubt or a query, please feel free to ask the same by typing in the chat box. Any doubt, anyone? Devopam, Rajlakshmi, Advik, Ritvik, Kanishk, Vikram, Sai Pranil, Kanishk, Manit, Haifong, Ashaz. In case you have a doubt, please type in the chat box. Okay, so most of you are saying no doubts. What are the total number of sessions we have in this course? Yes, Kanishk, if you have a doubt, please type it. If we don't want Olympiad course, then there is maths course source. What do you mean by this question? Can you please frame it correctly? Can you elaborate a little? I haven't understood what you're trying to say. Devopam is saying there are overall 16 sessions. Is he correct? Do you agree? Or you would like to disagree? Okay, so 16 sessions are there? Yes, 16 sessions are there. Is there any course for maths school syllabus which is NCERT? NCERT. So you're trying to say for CBSE? Yes, we have several courses related to CBSE. And in fact, the batches that we run for level 1, they are all, they cover CBSE course as well, the academic CBSE course that is there. And it is also relevant for your Olympiad course as well. Okay, now children, let me tell you that there is a slight change that has just been communicated to me. So there would be overall 20 sessions, is it?
Right,
Okay.
Monica, there are 20 sessions.
There would be 20 sessions and the price would be 4,000.
Fee will be.
Okay.
Sure.
Please note this down. There's a change. The sessions have been increased from 16 to 20. And the fees is 4,500, correct. Okay. So what are the days on which we have classes? Type your doubt. Monday and Friday? Yes, Monday and Friday is correct. Monday and Friday is correct. And what are the timings for the class? 6:30 to 7:45 p.m. That is correct. Okay. So any other doubt? Any doubt related to your course details? Anything that is there in your mind which needs to be answered? Okay. Right. So I believe we can begin with the demo, Gunjan ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any computer class? Yes, cyber classes are there for Cyber Olympiad. You can check our website. Okay. And you'll get the details there. In fact, there are several Olympiads which relate and cater to the need of Cyber Olympiad. You can check Crest Olympiad's website for further details, or Pooja ma'am, please paste the links in the chat section. So you have a query, you can put up your query there and you can get the details. So Gunjan ma'am, all over to you. Pooja ma'am, please paste the links. Thank you. Yeah.
Okay, so I got to know that some of the students like algebra and some of the students have difficulty in algebra. So what it would be if we start with algebra only? Okay, so how many of you hate algebra? Kanishk is saying no, no algebra. Okay, can you tell me why you feel fear in your algebra? Okay, Kanishk, you are saying that you want square root. See, square root is not any separate topic in class 6. In 7th and 8th, we read square root and cube roots. But if you are having some questions, that is your doubt, and we will cover some questions based on your square root in the number system. Okay, but if you are having some questions with yourself, you can ask in the class also. Okay, so let's begin with algebra only. So am I suppose that you people are familiar with the concept, or should we directly start with the questions? I know the basics of algebra. Okay, Sai. Okay. Should I start with direct questions, or you want some learning how to do it? Some basics? Direct questions. Okay. Let me start with the questions and let's see, are you able to do it? Okay. Okay. The screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am, it is.
Okay. Now, first question, which of the following equations has x equal to 2 as a solution? Okay. How many of you are not able to do these type of questions or not comfortable? Okay, Ashaz is saying that, ma'am, I don't know what is algebra. Can we do the basics first? Okay, okay, okay. Let me start with the basics only. Okay. Okay. So actually, what is an algebra? When you don't know any part, okay, then we say that algebra come in the picture. Okay, suppose I say that you are having 5 rupees. Okay, now if I say you are having coin of 5 rupees. Now if I say you are having 4 coins of 5 rupees, then how much total money you have? Can you tell me, students? 4 coins of 5 rupees, then total how much money you are having? Okay, everyone is saying that it is 20. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, or 5 into 4, you say that it is 20. Correct. Now, if I say I have some amount, that I am having some 5 rupee coins, but I don't know what it is. So how much total amount I am having? Can you tell me? When I don't know how many coins it will be. Okay, Advik is correct. Ritvik correct. Yes, you cannot say it is only 5. I'm saying some coins of 5 are there, but I don't know how many it is. So if you are saying, wait. So if you are saying that I'm having 1 coin, then amount will be 5. If you are saying 2, then amount will be 5 into 2. See, 1 coin, then amount is 5. If you are having 2 coins, then amount will be 5 into 2. When I say 3 coins, then amount will be 5 into 3. But I don't know how many coins are there. So it is changing, that I don't know. So that means, suppose I am having x coins. So total amount will be 5 into x, that is 5x. So here, when we don't have any value known to us, then we take any letter for it, right? Any letter for it. This letter that is keep on changing. Maybe I will be having 5 coins, maybe I can have 7 coins, maybe I can have 12 coins. So that is not fixed. So this we take it as x, y, z, any alphabet. Okay, so this x is known as your variable. And when the things are fixed, suppose I'm saying I'm having only 1 coin, then it is fixed thing is known as constant. Okay, so in algebra, what we deal with variable and we treat with constants. Okay, and when we don't know what it is, that means the unknown values are known as variable and known values are known as constants, right? So we will deal with what is algebra, what is your variable, constant, how to make them. Let's see. So algebra, that means it is a division of mathematics that represents number or letter or alphabets, right? So you can take any letter, 5x, 5a, 5b, anything. And letters are replaced with different numbers to obtain different answers. Suppose in place of x, if you are having 20, so total amount will be 5 into 20, that is 100. Okay. So that you are assuming yourself that are known as your variables, and those which are fixed are they. Can we take 5i? Yes, you can take 5i also. Okay. Next. Now, can you tell me this answer? Yes, what will be the answer, students, for this question? 5a, correct. Here, what we have to do, Bob cleans the car in a garage shop. For every car he cleans, he charges $5. Express total earning of Bob in terms of variable. So what you have to do, $5 into, now we don't know how many car he has cleaned, so let it be X, so it will be 5X. Okay, next. I'm going fast because it is just a basic, just a review. I'm giving you this question. We will end up at this basics in 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, Gargi is 10 years now. Express her age after 12 years. Generalize her age after M years. Now, give me the answer for this. Right now, Gargi is 10 years old. What will be her age in after 12 years? So it will be 10 plus 12. Now, after M years, how we will treat it? After M years. So if you are asked about 12 years, after 12 years, then her age will be 10 plus 12. But if I ask you, what about M years? After M years, what it will be? Some of you are saying 22M. Some of you are saying 22 plus M. So that is not correct. Do not see this question now. Okay. It is saying Gargi is 10 years now. Generalize her age after M years. After M years, it will be, you will add this year. After 1 year, what you will do? 10 plus 1. After 2 years, what you will do? 10 plus 2. Now, after M years, it will be 10 plus M. Clear? You have to add the years, not increase it, not multiplication. Clear? Is there any doubt up to here? No? Okay, next. Now, when we talk about algebra, it follows some property. That is your commutative property, associative property, and distributive property. Okay, this, okay. Commutative property, you all know or not? That if we change the order, your answer will remain the same. So if I write 10 plus x, or if I write x plus 10, then it will remain the same. Okay. Now, if I multiply 10 into x, or if I multiply x into 10, then it will remain the same. So it follows commutative property for addition and multiplication. But if I talk about subtraction, then 10 minus x is not equal to x minus 10. Because suppose if I have taken x equal to 5, then 10 minus 5 is not equal to 5 minus 10. Clear? Similarly, x divided by 5 and 5 divided by x are not same. So that means commutative property follows for addition and multiplication. Clear? Okay, next. So this is your associative property. What do you mean by this associative property? Associative property means when we group the numbers. That means if you are taking three different terms, A, B, and C. So you can add A plus B first, and then you can add with C. Or you can do B plus C first, and then you can add this result with A. Or you can do A plus C also, and you can add the result with B. So all are equal. That is called your associative property. Similarly, that goes with into also. In place of plus, I can write into also, and my answer will remain the same. Clear? Associative property, you all know. This is your associative property. Next. That means it follows for multiplication also. Distributive property. Do you know what is a distributive property? Class 6 students? Yes. Okay. What does that mean? That means if some numbers are there. So according to this BODMAS rule, what you will do first? You will you will solve the bracket. So 3 plus 4 is 7. So 2 into 7 will be 14. Now this can be written as 2 into 3. That means 2 is multiplied with the first number and 2 is multiplied with the second number. So 2 into 3 will be 6. 6, 2 into 4 will be 4 to the 8. So 6 plus 8 again will give you 14. So you can write this term as this or this, both will give you the same answer. Clear? Okay. Next. Now, can you frame algebraic expression for these questions? What is 8 more than y? How to write it in terms of mathematical statement? How to write this? First, 8 more than y. Correct, Manit. Sai correct. Asha's correct. Devopam correct. Very good. Students are giving me correct answer. 8 more than y means 8 plus y. How to write x added to 4? X added to 4. That means from 4 you will add x in it. Very good. Now decrease x by 20. How to write it? Be fast. This is basics. Decrease x by 20. You have to decrease x, not 20. Decrease x by 20. So x minus 20 should be correct. Now 7 less than z. Z. 7 less than z. Yes, correct. Z minus 7. Correct. Now, how to write 9 added to the sum of x plus 9. So first write how to write sum of x plus 9. Yes, x plus 9 is this. Now 9 added to it. So correct. From this we have to add 9. Okay. X plus 9 plus 9. Correct. Y less than sum of x and 11. Y less than sum of x and 11. So sum of x and 11 we will write as x plus 11. Correct, Manit? And y less than that. So minus y. Correct. X plus 11 minus y. Very good. Kanishk? Yes, correct. Okay. 2 times y. How to write it? 2 times y. 2y. Correct. 2 times means into. So 2 into y. You can write as 2y. Very good. Now 3 times of a number subtracted from 14. From 14. So 14 should come first. From 14, what we have to subtract? 3 times of a number. Now we don't know what number. So let it be x. 3 times of a number. That means 3x. So 14 minus 3x. Very good. Quotient of x by 7. How to write it? X by 7. X by means divided by. So x by 7. Okay. Not 7 by x. X by 7. This is the way we write algebraic expression. Okay. Okay. Next. Now, you can, if you are having algebra, that means this can be used for framing the formulas also. So when we represent diameter, so diameter can be written as d is equals to 2 into r. So r is also variable, d is also variable because we don't know what radius is given. If radius is 2, then what will be the diameter? What will be the diameter if radius is 2? 4, correct. So in place of r, we will write 2. So 2 into 2 is 4. So d will be 4. Okay. Similarly, you can frame formulas. So the values, so these alphabets that you are writing, that are known as your variable. Okay. Now, can you tell me in this matchstick pattern, how many matchsticks will be there in X pattern? Okay, can you tell me how many matchsticks will be there in 10th pattern? This is your first pattern. This is your second pattern. This is your third pattern. How many matchsticks will be there in the 10th pattern? This is first, this is second pattern, this is third pattern. How many matchsticks will be there in the 10th pattern? Correct. Most of you are giving me answer 20. That is correct. See here, how many matchsticks are there? 2. How many matchsticks are there? 4. How many matchsticks are there? 6. So that means this can be written as 2 can be written as 2 into 1. This can be written as 2 into 2. This can be written as 2 into 3. That means you are multiplying the pattern number here. So in 10th pattern, how many matchsticks will be there? 2 into 10. So total will be 20 matchsticks. Can you tell me how many matchsticks will be there in nth pattern? In nth pattern, how many matchsticks will be there? Manit, correct. Devupam, correct. Vikram, Sai, correct. So every time we are multiplying 2 with the number of patterns. So 2 into n. This will be the correct answer. Okay. Great. Next. Now tell me about this. Let's Mala's age is Z years. What will be her age after 5 years? Correct, Vikram? Yes. Most of you are giving me answer Z plus 5. So what is her age after 5 years? So that means Z plus 5. After 5 years, it will be Z plus 5. Correct. What was her age 3 years back? Before 3 years, what was the age? Before, that means we have to subtract. So Z minus 3. Very good. Now, Mala's grandfather is 6 times her age. Mala is Z years. Mala's father is 6 times her age. What is her age? Z. So what will be the answer? 6 times Z. How to write it? 6 into Z. Okay, 6Z is the correct answer. Okay, Mala's father age is 4 years more than 5 times Mala's age. So 5 times Mala's age we will write as 5Z, and it is 4 years more, so 5Z plus 4. Very good. I think the concepts are clear now, how to do the questions. Okay, now tell me this. Observe the pattern. What will be the number after x? Now suppose, how can you frame how it is increasing? How the next number is coming? Correct. Very good. So every time we have to increase it by 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 4 is 15. 15 plus 4 is 19. So next number will be 19 plus 4 will be 23. So if any number is x, so what is the next number after x? So that will be, every time you have to add x4 in it. So next number will be x plus 4. Very good. So this answer will be x plus 4. Correct. What will be the number before x? So every time we have to reduce it by 4. So answer will be x minus 4. So can you tell me what is the second number after x? That means x, next number, and then this number. What will be this? Very good. X plus 8. So this will be x plus 4. This will be x plus 4. In this, we will add 4 in it. So it becomes x plus 8. Very good. What is the 10th number after 8? After x. 10th number. Here we have increased. Next number we have increased 1 times 4. Here you have increased x plus 2 times 4. Next number you will increase x plus 3 times 4. So after 10th number will be x plus 10 into 4, that is x plus 40. Very good. This is called your generalization. Very good, students. Now tell me about this. What formula you will obtain for this? How these are increasing? So what is x plus 8, x plus 8? No. How to write it in formula that you will get the pattern. Plus 8, you are saying it correct, but what will be the value at x position? At x position, what will be the value? No, Vikram. This is x position, correct, Kanishk. Manat, correct. This is 8 into 1, this is 8 into 2, this is 8 into 3, this is 8 into 4. So at x position, it will be 8 into x. Okay, so whenever it is asked about generalized, so you have to see what proper formula it is going on, right? Can you tell me about this? Tell me about this. What is a general rule? That means here, if you put the values, then you will get the number of matchsticks. In which formula you will put, so that you will get the correct number of matchsticks. This is pattern 1. That means in place of x, if you write 1, you will get 3 matchsticks. Here, number of matchsticks are 3. Here, number of matchsticks are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 are there. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 are there. So how to get that? Here, if you put x equal to 1, you should get 3 matchsticks. So if I put x equal to 1 here, then it becomes 4 plus 1. That is 5. But here, number of matchsticks should be 3. So this is not correct. Okay. Now check for the second option. If you put x equal to 1, 3 into 1 plus 1, how many matchsticks you will get? 4. So this is also not correct. You should get 3 here. Now check for 2x plus 1. So 2 into 1 plus 1, that means 2 plus 1, that is 3 here. Yes, it is correct. Now check for next also. Put x equal to 2. So x equal to, that means 2 into 2 plus 1, 4 plus 1, that is 5. That means for x equal to 2, that means for second pattern, I am getting 5 matchsticks. So this is your correct answer. Got it? So whatever value of x we are getting, that is known as your solution of an equation. Okay, so this is your basics. Now we will start with the questions only. Yes. Now what you have to do, put x equal to 2 and check, are you getting 40 if you solve only the left hand side of equals to? Are you getting, which is correct? In which you will get LHS, that means left hand side and RHS are equal. Left hand side and right hand side is equal. In which option you will get? Yes, students, correct. C is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. How? Because in place of x, if you write 2, then it becomes 3 into 2 plus 9. So 3 into 2, 6 plus 9, that is your 15. Yes, it is giving 15 here. That means it is the correct answer. Okay, clear? That this way you have to check. Next, the ratio of number of boys and girls in a school with 504 students is 13 is to 11. Find the number of girls in that school. This is not giving 13, total boys are 13, total girls are 11, not like this. They are in the ratio. That means they are in fraction. Ratio means fraction. So 13 girls, boys to girls ratio is given. Boys upon girls is given as 13 by 11. How many girls are there? Can you tell? You have to find proper number. Devupam. Okay, Kanishk. Advik, okay. So how to do it? They are given in ratio, but we don't know. It can be 13 into 2 also. 13 into your ratio, your fraction will remain same. If I write 13 into 2 and 11 into 2 also, then also fraction remains same. If I 13 into 3, 11 into 3, then also your ratio will become same. That means it can be 13x and 11x. Okay. And what is the total? That means girls plus boys are 504. So how many total x are there? 13 and 11. What is the total? How many total x? 13x and 11x. That is 13 plus 11, 24x. 24x is equals to 504. So x will be divide by 24 both sides. If I divide 24 from both sides, then I will get the value of x. So this will become x equal to 504 by 24. What is the value? 504 by 24. 21. And how many girls are there? So x is 21. This is your girls. Girls are 11x. So how many total girls are there? So girls are 11x. That means 11 into 21. That is 231. Very good. Yes, correct, students. Asharaz, is it clear to you? Okay, great. So this is your answer, 231. Correct. Next. The sides of a triangle are in the ratio 2:3:4. If its perimeter is 54 centimeter, then find the length of largest side of the triangle. Again, it is given in the ratio. So perimeter, that means you have to add all sides. They are not 2, they are not 3, they are not 4, they are in the ratio. That means sides are 2x, 3x and 4x. So your perimeter means when you add all the sides, 2x plus 3x plus 4x will give you 54. Now how many total x are there? 2 plus 3 plus 4. 9x, correct. So 9x is equals to 54. So 1x will be, if 9x are 54, then 1x will be divide by 9, both side. So x will be 54 by 9. X is equals to 6. Very good. So x is 6. So you have to find the largest side. So which will be largest? One is your 2x, 3x or 4x. 4x will be largest. So 4 into 6 will be 24. Very good. D is the correct answer. Yes. Which of the following should be subtracted from 8x plus 2y minus 15 to get 5x plus 6y minus 5? That means 8x plus 2y minus 15. What should I subtract from this so that I will get my answer as 5x plus 6y minus 5? How many x should be subtracted from this so that I can get 5x? 8 minus what is 5x? Okay, Ashas. 8 minus 3 is 5. So yes, 3x can be answered, either this or this. Now from 2y, how many, from how to get it? 2 minus what is 6? And it should be plus. 2 minus what is 6? So what you have to do? 2 minus 2 is 0. 2 minus 4. 2 minus 6. No. Yes, 2 minus 8. 2 minus 8 is 6. Because see, what you have to do to find this, you will transfer this to that side. Okay, that means it becomes 5x plus 6y. Sorry, let me change it. Okay, let's write like this. 8x plus 2y minus 15. What should be subtracted? So let it be t. Okay, I'm subtracting t from it. Is equal to 5x plus 6y minus 5. Okay, now to find this t, what I have to do? I have to transfer this to that side. Okay, so minus t will become 5x plus 6y minus 5, and it is in positive, so all will become negative when you transfer it. So it becomes minus 8x plus 2y minus 15. Now open the bracket. It becomes 5x plus 6y minus 5. Now before the bracket there is minus, so all the numbers will change the sign. So it becomes minus 8x minus 2y plus 15. Now this is equal to minus t, not t only. Now 5x and minus 8x. 8x is maximum. 5 minus 8 is 3. But 8 is negative number is bigger. So it is minus 3x. 6y and minus 2y. 6 minus 2 is 4. And 6 is bigger. So that means plus 4y. Minus 5 and plus 15. 15 minus 5 is 10. So this is your minus t. Now I want to remove this minus sign. So all numbers will become positive. Change the sign. If you want to remove the minus, multiply by minus every number. So it becomes 3x minus 4y. Oh, minus 10. 4. I think there is some mistake here in the options. I think it should be minus 4y here. Yes. So 2y minus 4y Yes, correct. Here it should be minus 4y. Okay. So there should be a correction here. Okay. Next. In a part. Ma'am, it should be corrected in a part means. Is it clear how to do this? Okay. What you are saying, Manit, I am not getting you. Okay, next, evaluate the expression. Now, what you have to do, you have to put P, Q, R, these values and find what will be the final answer. Put P equal to 3, Q equal to 4.2 and R equal to 5.1 and solve by BODMAS rule. Manit, okay. Yes, what will be the final answer, students? 56 minus P bracket Q plus R. What is Q plus R? Add this 4.2 and 5.1. What will be the answer? Okay, Advik is saying 28.1. So this is 3, this is 9, 9.3. So 56 minus, in place of P, I will write 3. Q plus R, that means 4.2 plus 5.1. So here you are getting your answer, 56 minus 3, 9.3. So 3 into 9.3. All of you are getting this? So what operation we will do now? So this will be 27.9. 3 into 9.3 is 27.9 and 56 minus 27.9 will be 28.1. Very good. Correct. Yes. Up to here, how many students are not clear with the question? Can you tell me? All are clear how to do? Is there any doubt in any question? Okay, next. Now subtract this from this. Now which number we will write first? Which expression we will write first? Okay, second one we will write first. Okay. Solve it. I think this is into, here it is looking like X. Try to solve it by into. Vikram. Okay, students, try to do this by into. This is your into, multiplication sign. So first solve this and reduce it into lower term. So it becomes minus 8x plus 7y. Now 3 into this number. using distributive property. So 3 is multiplied with 3y. So 3 3s are 9. So it becomes plus 9y. And 3 is multiplied with minus 2. So it becomes 3 2s are 6. So minus 6. Now solve it again. 7y and 9y. How many y are there? Minus 8x. 9 plus 7 is 16y minus 6. So your first expression becomes this. Now solve this. Reduce it. It becomes 4y minus 2 is multiplied with 3y. So 3 2s are 6y minus 6y, and minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. Now 4y minus 6y becomes minus 2y minus 6. Now what you have to do, you have to reduce it. You have to subtract minus 2y minus 6. From this, you have to subtract this first expression. So this is minus 8x plus 16y minus 6. Okay, so now open the bracket because minus is there. So always change the sign. So minus 2y minus 6, minus minus will become plus. So all numbers will change the sign. Now what will be the answer? This is minus 18y. This is plus 8x. And 6 and 6 will be cancelled. I think there is some option corrections here. I got 1230. Ashas, how you are getting 1230? We are not having any value for x and y. And if you take it as x, then it becomes what? If you take this as x, are you getting any option? Okay. Are you able to understand this question, students? Kanishk? Manit? Okay, great. Sai? Vikram? Any doubt? Advik? Raj Lakshmi, you are not saying anything and you are not sending any answer. Devapam, what about you? Ashas, you cannot take x as 8, y as 9. I did not understand the last addition. Last addition. Okay. See, I'm telling you once again. Here, minus 8x plus 7y. 3, if I'm taking it as into, okay. So 3 3s are 9. So this become 9y. And 3 into minus 2, 3 2s are 6. So minus 6. Okay, now solve how many total y are there. 7y and 9y become 16y. So minus 8x plus 16y minus 6. Okay, this is your reduced form. Now we will solve this part. So it becomes 4y minus 2 into 3y is minus 6y. Now minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. Okay, so 4y minus 6y becomes 2y. But since minus 6 is greater, so it is minus 2y minus 6. Now we have to subtract minus 2y minus 6 minus this first expression. Okay, now solve the bracket, open the bracket because you are having minus here. So what you have to do, you have to change the sign of every number. So minus 2y minus 6 minus 8x will become plus 8x. Plus 16y will become minus 16y, minus 6 will become plus 6. All will change the sign. Now, how many y are there? Minus 2y and 16y. This is minus 18y. How many x are there? Plus 8x. How many numbers are there? Minus 6 and plus 6 becomes 0. So, correct answer is minus 18y plus 8x plus 0. Is it clear, students? Okay. Very good. Yes, next. 12 less than a number equals to 1/5. What is the number? Now, I don't know what is the number, so let it be x. 12 less than a number. So 12 less than x. How to write it? Okay, Vikram. 12 less than a number. So x minus 12 equals to 1/5. Equal to 1/5. Equal to 1/5. We will write it like this. Now you have to find what is this x. Find the value of x. Now, this minus 12 will go there. When any number goes to the other side, it changes its sign. So x minus 12, right now it is in minus 12. So when it goes there, it becomes plus 12. So x is equals to 1 by 5 plus 12. Okay, because we want to know the value of x. Or you can write it like this. Both sides you will add by plus 12. So x minus 12 plus 12 and 1 plus 5 plus 12. This will cancel out. So x is equals to 1 by 5 plus 12. Now take the LCM. It becomes 12 by 1. LCM is 5. So it will become 1 plus 12 into 5. That is equal to 12 into 5 will be correct. 61 by 5 total answer. So this 61 by 5. Now how to write it in mixed fraction? (61 by 5) correct. (12.2) correct. Now last question for today's class. Think of a number, add 3 to it and then multiply the sum by 7. The result is 1/3 of 63. How to do it? Okay, Advik. Think of a number. Now we don't know what is this number. So let it be x. Add 3 to it. How to write it? X plus 3. Then multiply this sum by 7. The result is 1/3 of 63. That means this is equals to 1/3 of 63. What is 1/3 of 63? 1/3 of means into 63. So 63 by 3. That is equals to 21. So this is equals to 21. Now how to solve it? What value of x you will put so that it becomes 21? Oh, x is 0. Sign? Correct. X is 0. If you put x equal to 0, then it becomes 0 plus 3 into 7. That means 3 into 7. That is equals to 21. Very good. Correct. Any doubt up to here? Students, do you have any doubt? Yes, tell me. No doubt. Is it clear? What you are sending? Oh, Kanishk is asking doubts. Kanishk, you can ask all the doubts in the main session. We will clear all your doubts. No problem in that. Okay. Yes. Do you want to ask any other thing? Is it clear? Any doubt? Any part that is not clear? Okay. Wait. What you are writing? Vikram. But I have a doubt in adding a lot of variables and subtracting like the last question. Okay. We will do more questions in the class also, Vikram. But Vikram, I know you. You are my old student. You can solve these questions. I have found you. Okay, Kanishk. If you are having any doubt, we will clear in the class also. Okay. Yes. So should we end the meeting? I hope you enjoyed the class. You are able to do it. Okay. Okay. Let's see you all in the class. Bye, everyone. Good night.